Okay, here's how to get started in Geography 211. If you go to cocc.edu and sign in under Blackboard, if you're signed up for the class, you should see GEOG211 appear here. We'll click on this. The first thing to come up is the announcement, and the announcement is the same thing on the first announcement is the same thing as on the Start Here page. So this is giving you instructions for how to go through the class. In the first few days of the class, by 3 p.m. on Tuesday, the two things you really have to do is just say that you're in the class and then take a syllabus quiz and then work on the other things for week 1, which are due on Friday. So let's just, we can get into week 1 either by going under content, and what we can see is the first thing, are you in the class? All you have to do to complete this is put a comment here, yes, I'm in the class. And once you submit that, you've earned your point there. Also under content, there's a syllabus quiz, and what you want to do is you want to read over the syllabus, which can be found here or in the basics folder. And once you've read over the syllabus, then you can take the syllabus quiz. It's multiple choice, unlimited time, so just take your time and go through it, but it hits on some important points of the class, so I would like everyone to have a look at the syllabus. These two things are due right off. They're due during the first couple days of the class. Then we're going to start this week's topics. This is under weekly topic, and I'll change to the student view here and go under content, weekly topic. You'll just see week 1 here, and then there's a series of things to complete here. There's a lecture in PowerPoint that you can follow along and take notes, and then here you'll go through the lecture itself. Yeah, make sure you press finish at the end. But basically what you'll do is you'll go through, you'll be introduced to different topics here. You'll watch a short video.
So why use QGIS?
And then after you've watched that, then you'll take a 1-question quiz. And which of the following is not true of QGIS? There is no licensing involved. There's open access software. So we just checked there. We're correct. If I'd chosen a wrong answer, it would let me know. But then you want to make sure your right answer is chosen, because after you've worked through all of these, when you get to the end, you'll want to press this finish button, because these points are actually added into your gradebook. So once you've completed this, then you will actually take a quiz. This quiz will be similar to the questions you had previously, but they might be rephrased a little or slightly different than the ones you answered before. For example, here there's an all of the above added, but that would be the correct answer there. So you answer those questions. And then you'll get your score here. And I'll show you which ones you got right and wrong. Okay. For class, we also have class activities. The class activities are explained here. Some of them will include a how-to video. So this is a how-to video getting you started on making your first map in GIS, which is your first class activity. And then once you completed it, you'll show that you've completed it with a screenshot. And you can make your screenshot either on a Mac or a PC. And then you'll just drop that into some kind of document and upload it. That will be that. And then also each week there'll be a lab. These are the instructions for the lab, and this is where you'll upload the lab once it's complete. And those would be the typical type of activities we're going to have each and every week. All of these things in the content class week 1 folder are due on Friday by 3 p.m. And I'll also put a link over here so you can access that directly right on this table of contents off to the left.